So, first, I would like to thank the speakers again. It's been a very interesting day. At this point, I wonder if anybody maybe have questions, comments, that goes to the whole group of speakers. Okay. Hey, yeah, so thank you again, speakers. Tomorrow we'll continue, and it will be obviously the last day tomorrow. We will have presentations from Christine from Neon about weaving Neon data into the cloud. So there you go, cloud. And Rob obviously is part of Neon as well. So Bob from NSO, maintaining sanity while moving, storing, and cataloging terabytes of data and millions of files on a nightly basis. Ben from ONC, the Ocean Networks Canada's data management and archival system, Oceans 3.0. And then Rob Earthscope, sorry, dishing the dirt to dish for in-situ geophysical measurements. So yes, there are some cloud stuff tomorrow, Rob. You'll be be good. And then at the last thing, Eva Dielman will do a wrap up of the workshop. So again, thank you for attending today. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you very much.